Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Subaru Liberty, stock number 6121. This ran from 07 2009 to 11 2014. It has a EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear aftermarket 18-inch mag wheel, good tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear aftermarket 18-inch alloy mag, good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 18-inch aftermarket wheel, good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, Alpine touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,